Hello guys, welcome to Tech World Channel. Today, we will explore the world of brave lumberjacks and their highly skilled work. Get ready to witness professional woodcutting techniques and learn valuable safety tips. Let's get started. Oh my God, people often underestimate the strength of a tree. How can 3 people defeat a tree? The tree leaned and fell on the house. Oh, looks like things didn't go as planned for them. Surprisingly, the tilt of the tree was significant. Unfortunately for the homeowner, they had to spend extra money to fix the thing. A tree with such a strange shape, everything collapsed and broke spectacularly, the cracking sound like a gunshot. A spectacular strike and a perfect landing, but the home team were not too happy. He was not wearing a helmet, not wearing goggles, not wearing a safety belt, and working at height. This is not something to imitate, even if you are really experienced. Oh my God, what confidence do they have to do this dangerous job? There are always surprises in this job requiring quick reflexes and proper safety. A gust of wind blew the tree and lifted its roots out of the ground, which was very dangerous. Luckily, no one was around. The scenery is truly majestic. The logger's job is to clear and cut down dead and rotten trees. Their experience in observing and organizing their work ensures they stay safe while completing their tasks. Nature really knows how to play tricks when a tree falls. The sound of a chainsaw is always a mix of gentleness and power. Amazing engineering. Watching that giant tree fall is like watching an artist complete their masterpiece. Do you believe these people cut down the tree near the house? Oh no, that is too dangerous. Let's approach it smarter to avoid something like this from happening. The tree fell down like watching a giant slowly collapse. invincible. How long do you think it will take him to take down this giant monster with that giant chainsaw? Leave a comment below. Join us as we watch lumberjacks cut down giant trees. This is a safe method of dealing with a dead tree instead of removing it with a chainsaw, which requires a professional team and a large and safe area to avoid damaging surrounding structures. Dealing with trees, anything can happen. Luckily, he was safe. First-hand experience of the thrill of danger. There is nothing more challenging than moving a large tree next to a house. Any wrong move can lead to serious consequences. To complete the job, you must have professional qualifications and absolute determination in assessing the height of the tree, the diameter of the natural leaning tree trunk, and especially the safe distance between surrounding structures. Leave a comment below if our videos amaze you. Your support fuels our creative fire.
这是农场里孤儿的橡树。伐木工在砍伐，邮具切进木头，很快变出来一个切口。
As the satisfying sound of a tree fall,
沿着背面继续，坚硬的橡树也抵挡不住邮具的切
he
割。
had used it for many
木
years.
屑飞射，
Do you think it was really
它即
dangerous?
将倒下。
Well done. It is the result of teamwork. Efficiency helps prevent the risk of harm to yourself and everything around you. For a true professional, there is nothing they cannot do. Oh God, the cut needs to be a little deeper. I think the chainsaw will tell you. The coordination with the saw made it easier for them to complete the task more efficiently.